Limburg province in the Netherlands, where I live, is famous for a traditional pie called vlaai. It's known for its generous filling, often making up to 80% of the pie. Rich, indulgent, and always a hit at social gatherings. Today I'm making a plant-based mini version, these little pudding cups. And we'll start with a classic today, vanilla. Let's begin with the dough. We need 50 ml plant milk warmed slightly, about 15 seconds in the microwave. Aim for around 40–45 degrees Celsius. Anything about 60 can kill the yeast. Pour it into a bowl, add 1 teaspoon dry yeast, stir and let it activate for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, take 2 very ripe bananas. The more brown spots, the sweeter your dough will be. Mash well and add to the bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for aroma, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. This keeps the dough soft and tender instead of dry. 1 cup of whole wheat flour for extra fiber. 1 cup of white flour for lightness and better texture. A pinch of salt to enhance flavor and balance sweetness. Mix with a spoon, then knead gently with your hands until smooth. Cover and let it rest for about 1 hour. For the pudding, we'll use soaked cashews. You can soak them overnight or boil for 10 minutes. Add cashews to a blender with 4 medjool dates for sweetness. Then a chopped vanilla bean. You can also use vanilla extract and 1 cup of water to start. Blend until completely smooth. Now add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is what will set the pudding. 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch for a creamy and silky texture. A pinch of turmeric for warm color. A pinch of salt to enhance the vanilla. Add the remaining water. Blend again, then transfer to a saucepan. Cook on medium heat, stirring continuously. At first, you will see small lumps forming. Then more of them. Might look slightly scary, but as the starch activates, the mixture becomes smooth, glossy, and thick like a custard. Once done, set aside to cool. Back to the dough. It should now be doubled, soft, and airy. To shape the cups, I'll be using a muffin tray with a larger in diameter cookie cutter. Roll it out thin on a floured surface. Cut circles using a cookie cutter and place them into a muffin tray, shaping little cups. Repeat with the rest of the dough. Use a fork to poke small holes. This prevents the dough from puffing too much. Bake for 10 minutes. Then, fill each cup with your vanilla pudding. Sprinkle with crushed almonds and bake for another 20 minutes. And here they are, golden, fragrant, and perfectly set. Let them cool and enjoy with your favorite drink. Bon appetit!